Hello everybody, we're getting ready to start 7.1 of Geometry Math. 7.1 is ratio and proportion in Chapter 7, which is about similarity. 32 points of classwork and then 5 points of note-taking in 7.1. Here's our bell work today. Which congruent statement is correct for the triangles at the right here? Okay, this is PQR. PQR, this is Q over here. And then here, what is the value of X? So we have to use some similarity rules here to find this value here. And your knowledge of this geometric figure here, I'm not going to give it away. Teachers, give your students about 5 minutes to do this. Okay, so the answer to number 1 would be C here. This is a congruent statement here for it. LJK. LJK is RPQ, RPQ here. Then what is the value of X here? If you know your rules about trapezoids, you would know the answer to this one is 3 plus 7. You add your bases, it's 1/2 the bases would be 5. So X would equal 5 here. Okay, so we're going to go into page 1 here, classwork. Classwork sheets. A ratio is a comparison of number A and a non-zero number B using division. The ratio of A to B can be written in 3 ways: as the fraction A over B, or an equivalent decimal. We could use a decimal here too, as A and then colon, full colon B, or as A to B with the 2 in between here. A ratio is usually, and now students, define ratio in your own words here. Define ratio. This goes in your notebook, 5 points. When I teach this in the classroom, I usually check on Fridays for a notebook check and all my students. So now we go into example 1, simplify ratio, simplify the ratio. So A will be 60 centimeters to 200 centimeters. How would you simplify this ratio? It can be written like this: 60 divided by 200, and then that would be divide out a 20 from each, and then it will become 3/10. Simply simplify, so it will be 3 over 10 is read as 3 to 10. 3 to 10 would be the simplification here of this ratio, 3 centimeters to 10 centimeters. And then B, 8 feet to 18 inches, or rather, I'm sorry, 3 feet to 18 inches. So 3 feet to 18 inches will be 3 times 12 inches. Let's put it into the same units here as the denominator, which is inches. So it'll be 3 times 12 inches over 18 inches. So it'll be 36 inches over 18 inches. Okay, we're going to page 4 here of our classwork. And we have 3 feet over 18 inches. To reduce this, we got 36 inches over 18 inches. So our greatest common factor would be 18. So we divide both our numerator and denominator by 18. And we get 2 over 1. Simplified, 2 over 1 is read as 2 to 1. So that'd be the way to read that ratio. Now we need to simplify the ratio here. 21 over 35, say, and then over here simplify the ratio, 2 yards over 16 feet. We have a unit analysis situation here where we need to convert this to feet. Students, as your independent practice up here, so 2 yards to feet, we go 6 feet to 16 feet. our greatest common factor will be 2 here, then we get 3 over 8. So we get 3 feet to 8 feet here. It'll be 6 over 16. So it'll be 3 to 8 here for this ratio here. Then up here, 21 to 35. What would be the greatest common factor here between 21 and 35? It'd be 7, so we could divide both numerator and denominator by 7, and we get 3 to 5 here. So this ratio would be 3 to 5. Page 6 of our classwork. Example, use ratios. In a diagram here, A, B, and C, and this is 30 units here from A to C. AB to BC is 4 to 1. So AB to BC is 4 to 1, and AC is 30 feet. So we got a 30-foot total here, and we have a 4 to 1 ratio from here to here. So find AB and BC. Now that we know our ratio here. So let X equals BC. Because the ratio of AB to BC is 4 to 1, you know that AB equals 4x. So AB here would be the same thing as 4x because it's 4 to 1. Page 7 here, your classwork, students. AB plus BC equals AC. So this is our full length here. AB plus BC equals AC. Segment addition postulate. 4x plus x equals 30, so we know that much. Substitute x for AB, x for BC, and 30 for AC. We substitute in. Then we come up with 5x equals 30, and then x equals 6. So now we know what our x is. Divide each side by 5, solve for x. To find AB and BC, substitute 6 for x. So we go back up here again. And then we substitute this in for up here, yes? So AB equals 4x equals 4 times 6, so this equals 24. And then BC equals x, which equals 6. So this is 24, this is a 6 here. So here's our solution. We go into our guided practice here, use ratios in the diagram. EF to FG is 2 to 1, and EG equals 24. So this full length here is 24. Find EF and FG, and then down here, students, I want you to do that on your own. Up here to guided practice. Well, I go ahead and I fill this in for you. Here is your solution here for independent practice here. FG to GH is 1 to 3. FH is 12. Find FG and GH. So this is 1 to 3. So we have 4x equals 12. So x equals 3. So this equals 3, and then this would equal 9, would it not? Yep, it would equal 9. Up here, students, what's this one? Well, this 24, then EF to FG is 2 to 1. This is 2x plus x equals 24. So x would equal 8. X would equal 8. We got that much. Then this is 2x here, so what's 2 times 8 is 16, and then x over here is 8. So that's what that would be. Get back to me for animated PowerPoints video at AOL.com for more PowerPoints and video of the whole course here, geometry, correction video, solution PowerPoints, online tutoring, grading. Like for this homework here, I have 108 points of homework. If you want this graded online, go ahead and take a picture of your work, send it to me, and I'll grade it for you. How about that? I'll send it back to you even. I'll send you back your homework. Page 4 of your homework. We're up through 36. Use another sheet, students. Attach it. If you're going to send this in by phone, make sure you just don't put answers down. I want to see your work too, so I can grade your work. And you can send your homework to this email as well. For homework sheets and other sheets, email me. Thank you. Bye.